Look, have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Don't let my heart turn cold. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Don't let my heart turn cold. Have mercy on many men.
What up, guys? It's your boy Josh Sneaks, and I'm back with another video. Today, I got an unboxing review of the Satin Jordan 1s. So, with that being said, let's get into it. So, at the box, we do have that inverted Jordan 1 box. The normal Jordan 1 box comes with the Nike logo in red and the rest of the box black. However, this time we have the Nike logo in black and the rest of the box red. We do have the size tag. This was a woman's release. Retail of this shoe was $170. I personally took an L on this shoe. However, my family member got this shoe and blessed me with the opportunity to review them. So shout out to that person. So in the box, we do have that white regular tissue paper. Pull it down and we have the Jordan 1 Satin Snakeskins. Let's take these out the box and show y'all. You may be wondering why I have two sets of laces, two different color laces on. Well, this shoe comes with three, yes, you heard me right, three different laces. You have red, you have white, and you have black. However, for my, well, not my shoe, but this shoe, I have three sets of black laces. See, one, oh crap, two, and three. I don't know how I got three black laces, but I think this is why. One of the laces, the plastic is missing, so they probably gave me an extra lace because of that. I don't know why they would do that, but I got a free lace, I guess. So let's move on to the shoes. I use the right side for this review. So on the outsole, you do have that all black outsole with the Nike branding in the middle. Moving up, you have that white midsole that wraps around the whole shoe. The official colorway of this shoe is gym red, black, white. Moving up to the shoe, the whole shoe is leather. However, this leather isn't soft and it isn't hard. It's like right in the middle, so that's perfect. Also means easy creases though. The main attraction to the shoe is the snakeskin on the back. However, the snakeskin is kind of cheap. By that I mean it looks like it's just painted on. You can't feel the real snakeskin. On some shoes, you could feel the snakeskin moving up and down. Personally, I like and dislike that at the same time because I don't like that snakeskin feeling, but I also dislike it because it makes the shoe look cheap. It doesn't make it like they put all the materials into the shoe. The black Nike swoosh does also feature the snakeskin, which also wraps around. The shoe also features the Nike Air on top of the tongue, and I'm so happy that Jordan brand or Nike did this, because you know how on some of the Jordan ones they put a random color. This would be gold and the whole shoe is like blue. They didn't do nothing special, which I'm thankful for, because that would probably have ruined the shoe. So you just kept it simple and let it match the whole shoe. So that was pretty nice. And this tongue, I really like this tongue. It's like soft and it also has a satin shine to it, if you guys can see that. I like it. I like it like that. Moving to the inside of the shoe, we do have that Nike Air in red with your size tag on the side of the shoe. The shoe does come with a classic brown shoe tree, which won't be much help, but you can just keep it in there. The shoe also features the Air Jordan stamped into the leather. It's not staking out, it's into the leather. It's also covered with the snakeskin pattern, as you guys can see. It is on both shoes, as you guys can see. Personally, with the three different laces that come in the shoe, I would either keep on the white or red. I wouldn't keep on the black because the black will look too plain. So, but I'll show videos of the shoes with each different color of the lace. I would suggest, if you guys are thinking of copying these shoes, I think you should cop them now, because Jordan 1s, they increase in value over time. So I would suggest, if you have the opportunity to cop them now, you do. Especially how it's that red, white, and black concept. These will definitely go up in value over time. Similar to the Chicago, these will definitely go up in value. That's pretty much it for the shoe. Nothing too much to say about it. Just a classic red, white, and black shoe with hints of snakeskin on it. It's been your boy Josh Sneaks. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. If we hit 170 subscribers before August 31st, there will be a giveaway. Stay tuned. Details about that will be in the upcoming videos. It's been your boy Josh Sneaks, and I'm out.